What's up everybody, Tony here with High Tech Check. Today we're going to be testing out AmFilm's tempered glass screen protector for the brand new Galaxy S23 Plus. Now I will be doing a scratch and a drop test, so you're definitely going to want to stick around till the end of the video to find out those results. I will also be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to pick this up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So let's go ahead and get started. So you get a giant dust removal sticker, an installation packet, 2 rear camera protectors, and 2 screen protectors. Now AmFilm makes it really easy to install their screen protectors. All you need to do is take their one screen protector here, make sure the top signifier is going towards the camera on your phone. Then all we need to do is peel off the little protector on the underside here. There's a little tab that says step 1. Just peel that off. And then don't touch the underside. Then all you need to do is place this over your phone. It should line up perfectly with your phone, and then just press it into place and run your finger down the middle just like that. As you can see, the screen protector pretty much adhered to the whole phone. Then all you need to do is put your finger on the inside here, just lift up very carefully. Remove your finger and then lift up the rest of the way, and you're all done. Super simple. I absolutely love it. As you can see, the installation is perfect. There is a slight gap all the way around the edge of the phone for case friendliness, which is awesome. There's also a little cutout for your camera so it won't interfere with your selfie pictures. As far as the feel goes, feels nice and smooth, just like the glass that's on the phone. So now what you want to do is re-register your fingerprints if you've already done so. Touch working perfect. Everything is nice and smooth. It is also nice and clear. So now we'll register our fingerprints. Okay, so we're all set up. Now we'll test out our fingerprints. Working perfectly fine. Very nice. No problems there. Awesome. So like I said before, touch nice and smooth, working beautiful. No problems there. So now let's put it in a case. So in case you're wondering, this is the Spigen Rugged Armor case, one of my favorites. It does pick up fingerprints just a little bit. So it does do a really good job at fingerprint rejection. As you can see, it doesn't pick up a lot of fingerprints, just little remnants of them. But any fingerprints that are on the screen, you can just very easily wipe away. As you can see, it fits perfectly with this case. There is still a slight edge around the corner of the phone, so there is no lifting whatsoever. Absolutely love these screen protectors, and I've used them on all of my Galaxy devices as well. So now let's install the rear camera protector. All you need to do first is clean it off thoroughly with alcohol wipe, then dry it off. Then you can install your screen protector. So all we need to do is simply hold onto the screen protector and peel back the plastic backing. Then don't touch the underside. And then just place them over the camera lenses. And then just press them in place. So that's what it looks like on the phone. Now your lenses are all protected, and it doesn't add a lot of extra bulk to the camera lenses themselves either. Now the only thing you have to worry about is if you use a case like this where it doesn't have a full cutout, you won't be able to use that rear screen protector. Just something to keep in mind. And as far as the cameras goes, as you can see, it is still crystal clear. See how good the focus is? Really quick. No problems there. All right, so let's test out the scratch protection. So we're going to first start off with a level 5, and we'll go on from there. Typically, screen protectors start to scratch around a level 6, so I'm going to start off with one lower at a level 5. So that was a level 5. Now we'll move on to a number 6, and then a number 7. So if we take a closer look, as you can see, there's no scratches at the level 5. There is at a level 6 and a little deeper at the level 7. So it's pretty much on par with other tempered glass screen protectors. Not bad. So now we're going to do the drop test for the tempered glass screen protector. We're going to start off at 2 feet. All right, here we are at 3 feet. Here we go at 4 feet. Here we go at 5 feet. All right, here we go at 6 feet. Here we are at 7 feet. No cracks yet at 7 feet. We're going for 8. Here we go, 8 feet. No cracks at 8 feet. All right, so the highest I can go is 8 3/4 feet. If it doesn't break or crack on that, then it's going to probably be one of the best screen protectors. Here we go at 8 3/4 feet. Holy cow. So it didn't crack, but it made like this little dimple. Not bad at all. I am impressed. So this is the AmFilm tempered glass screen protector that we just drop tested at 8 3/4 feet. And as you can see, it has not cracked. This little dimple you see here, I can't even feel it on top of the glass here. I've only had a couple other screen protectors last up until the 8 3/4 feet height, and this is one of them. So if you want some of the best drop protection, this screen protector is going to be one of them. So now let's move on to our scratch test. We're going to start off with the number 5. Then move on to the number 6. And then finally, the number 7. Oh, it cracked with that one. Let's try it up here. All right, so let's take a closer look here. As you can see, there's no scratches at the level 5. There is very slight at the level 6, and looks like it's still slight at the level 7. So this screen protector is definitely going to be the one to beat. Again, I am super impressed with it all around. This screen protector seems to probably be one of the best tempered glass screen protectors for the Galaxy S23 Plus. Installation was super easy. As you saw, drop test was fantastic. Scratch protection is also really good. I have no choice but to give this screen protector 2 thumbs up. So if you guys want to pick this screen protector up yourself, I will be putting a link in the description. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products and reviews for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.